Hey guys, Nate Duck here, and welcome to Hunting Island State Park. Now for today's video, we're going to check out the Nature Center and Scenic Trail. Now this trail is just under a mile long, and it leads to the Boneyard Beach. And it's called that because there's a ton of driftwood, like giant driftwood. It's like one of the most famous beaches in South Carolina. Sounds awesome. Let's check it out. It's a really nice and easy trail. Alright guys, that's all time I have for now. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.